Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
Is this not a great looking car or what? A 69 Chevelle SS396 in Hugger Orange with the parchment white interior. Frame off restored about 1,600 miles ago. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study about 100 photos, get the price, not only of this car, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon and you'll see them first as they come out. But right now, tops down in this big block convertible. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, body off the frame means just that. It was separated from the frame, which pretty much everything gets taken apart. The whole front end was rebuilt. The floors are super dry. I think they found a clean, rust-free car to start with because the inner rockers and drain holes and all the seams, all that just dry, clean metal. They did a nice job painting it. New body bushings, put the body back on the frame. Bottom of the motor still clean. Turbo 400 transmission is clean. It is a 1969 transmission, I believe. It's the correct one. Drive shaft is gloss black. 12-bolt rear end and back. All new fuel system, including the tank, the straps. They even put the little insulators between the straps and the tank. New fuel lines. Brakes have been redone. The e-brakes hooked up. It has disc in front. So underneath the car is super nice. Got a great sounding Flowmaster exhaust, which you'll hear in just a couple minutes. Refinished in Hugger Orange. It's super straight everywhere. It is not wavy. It's smooth and shiny and glossy. It's got the SS stripe. All the chrome, the door handles, the mirrors, the marker lights, the emblems, the grills, this has all been replaced. Windshield's replaced. Trim is real nice and straight. All this is replaced, and the visors. Wheels, SS wheels are restored. The front bumper is re-chromed, but it has some scratches on it from something. Not even worth, even hardly mentioning. The grille is all beautiful. The hood sits nice and square and flush. Correct antenna. Those are Eagle ST tires. They haven't made those in a while. You might want to consider. They look fine, but they are old tires. Might want to consider replacing them is what I was about to say. Door jambs are painted just as glossy. It's got the little rubber stubbers, the sticker, new weather strip, new sill plates. So door jambs are beautiful. It's a white convertible top. Still looks like new. It's a manual top. I drove this car home the other night. It drove great. Just comfortable, smooth, shifted nice. I come back the next morning. I tell the guys, how the car was. This is one of the ones I said this car was great. It looked like it was going to rain. I pulled into a gas station, and it is a manual top. I flipped the top up with one hand, windows rolled up, everything fit nice. Made it the rest of the way home, and luckily it didn't rain. So the top is beautiful. All the rubber's replaced on the top. The convertible top boot has it's not attached to the rail here. You got to take it off, slide it through the rail, but the rail is there. My guys just didn't attach that. All the upholstery is replaced. The seats, the door panels, the armrests, that's all been replaced. All the chrome on the seats new. They did re-dye the headrest, and the seat backs are repainted. It's like one shade off. The whole dash is restored. The dash pad, the instrument bezels, the knobs, heater control panel, new deluxe steering wheel, and it has the gauge cluster with the tachometer in the middle, has the clock, has a retro stereo with new speakers up in the dash. So the dash area is beautiful. New console with the horseshoe shifter. This is a 1970 Chevelle 396 motor. It's all stock in appearance. The valve covers, the stickers, the manifolds, looks completely stock. So it runs great. It does have It looks like a Holly carb with an electric choke, new distributor, new wires, new wiper motor, new cadmium plated brake booster, new master cylinder. All the steering components look like they've been replaced. So it does have power steering, power disc brakes. Grab the key and we'll open the trunk. It's got a new mirror. Trunk compartment's really clean. It's all metal. This is painted all beautifully. It's got the stickers, new weather strip, complete jack and spare assembly, and it's all clean, painted, looks fresh, all bolted down. Spatter paint's real nice. So really clean trunk compartment. Back in the engine here, the clutch fan, the shroud is new. It's a new aluminum radiator. All the wiring actually looks new, new horns. All the wiring and hoses are run neatly. Has the hood insulation, has the rubber and the plastic inserts on the cowl. So everything is tidy and proper and clean. It looks new under here. Batteries bolted down. So it's all the way it should be. Has GM seat belts front and back. It's Monday morning. This car's been in here since Friday. I have not started. It's a cold start. I didn't even pump the gas. It's idling just fine. That's pretty impressive for an old car. You expect that out of your new car, but an old big block like this with a carburetor, that's pretty impressive. Tachometer's working. Motor's smooth as can be. All the sound is coming out the tailpipes. That's the way it should be. That sounds nice. Very comfortable driver. There's cars you got to pay attention and you got to constantly be steering it. This is one of those cars, one hand on the wheel, one hand on the console. You're just cruising. You feel safe. You feel comfortable because it's doing everything right. Stops nice, rides nice. It's a good car. Someone will be happy. It's turnkey, ready to go start enjoying. Go to volocars.com. We have a staff of people. They're willing to help answer any questions or concerns you have about the car. We can deliver. We can help with financing. So contact us at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.